Hello folks, and welcome into another video. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo.
So what's different?
Well, let's start with the larger sensor. There's a lot more pixels, 48 megapixels to be exact, which means you can do this. And then shoot a hyperlapse in 8K. With Smart Photo, every shot is a masterpiece.
Yeah, but photos aren't really my thing.
Don't worry, we've got you covered. It also does 4K 60p video. You can also slow things down. Way-do. And yes, there's HDR video.
How's the flight time?
It's fantastic. You're looking at up to 34 minutes in the air, a new record for the Mavic series. We've added OcuSync 2.0, so you can fly longer and see clearer.
What if I'm not a great pilot?
That's where Focus Track comes in, so you can fly like a pro. Or just press a button. Here's the best part: automatic obstacle avoidance.
Okay, but what do I do with all these shots?
Here's an idea. Use the DJI Fly app to edit and share your moments with just a tap. So, what's different? A whole lot.
Right, here we go. Take the lid off. We are now presented with a nice... Get this freaking thing out. Right, just get that off the way. Get that out the way. So, I've upgraded from the Mavic Air 1. Chose the Mavic Air 2 because although it doesn't look like a Mavic 1, it is quite good on paper. £949 from Argos. Fly More Combo. Gets me 3 batteries and some filters, charging dock, a couple of other little things. Right, so first up, we're going to have the bag open. And I must say, a rather nice bag. Almost got a bit of a waterproof feel to it. Although I don't think it's waterproof, to be honest with you. It's got those kind of zips that you get when you get like a waterproof jacket. And you zip it up. But I don't know, it doesn't say it's waterproof. So what do we have here? Something in Chinese. Let's see. Mavic Air 2. Colour black. Or noir. That's just the bag. Yeah, Mavic Air 2 shoulder bag. Colour black, blah blah blah. Fabric is polyester, 100%. Made in Shenzhen, China. Straight off the bat, the bag could have been designed a little bit better in my opinion. It should have maybe folded that way rather than that way. It's a bit of a pain when you just, you know, it just doesn't seem. You've got the seams of the bag here. So when you go to open it, it's a bit of a pain in the arse. Not a huge problem, but hey ho. Anyway, plug. Accessories box. We have what I think is the charging dock. Yep, charging dock for the 3 bats. Let's put that there. We have 1 battery. Really nice. Two battery. Three battery in the drone. Got your, what are these called? Whatever it is. Power brick. Let's go with power brick, eh? Anything else in the box? Nope. Sling that. Right, next up we have this flat other accessory kind of box, which is this. Inside that one we have quick start guide, accessories, user guide, Fly More combo paperwork. You just see them there. Propellers. More propellers which have just dropped on the floor. Right, that's that one empty. Right, onto the main event itself, which is the said drone. No propellers on it as of yet. I'm told by a friend that you need to take the propellers off every time you put it in the bag, because it looks like it's a bit of a pain maybe to, I don't know, it's not very well shielded there. So anyway, we'll open this baby out the wrong way, of course. Fold out first and then go from the bottom. Just put that there for now. We have the new updated controller, which is very nice in my opinion. If anyone has owned a Mavic Air, they will know that bloody annoying controller you have to pull out and slam your phone in. That controller over time killed my Samsung 8 Plus. The charger port kept on getting pushed and pushed and pushed on an angle to the point where it just fell in and it was game over for the phone. This design is well better. This one's got an iPhone port on at the moment, so we'll be getting rid of that. And we'll have a Samsung one or an Android one. Nice design, sits on the top. You've got your thumbsticks underneath, which were in the original controller. It just all folded in very nicely. Yeah, well happy with that one. Right, other accessories in the bag. We should have 2 control sticks, which are spare, an RC cable, USB-C cable, which is the one we need, set of ND filters, and a battery to power bank adapter. It should be, let's have a look, hiding in this top compartment. So this looks like the power bank, I think. Let's just pull that off. Yeah. So basically you pop a battery on there, charge your phone on the go. If it gets flat. Very nice. We have set of ND filters, which I may not use because I've never ever used any filters with a drone. So open them there. So you get, let's see, you get an ND16, ND64 and ND256. Very nice. I may use them, as I say. Right, we also have a USB-C lead, which is the one I need. So I'll pop that there. Charging lead, USB-C. That basically goes into your power brick, and that end goes into your controller. Spare thumbsticks, and we have a USB. Oh, actually, that's the one I need. USB-C to USB-C. That's USB-C to a micro USB. I do apologise. And that is it. Right, so let's have a closer look at this drone. On first glance, it looks not unlike its predecessor. It looks more like a Mavic Pro. Nice and chunky, feels nice and well built. Mavic Air felt, yeah, pretty much the same, but this one feels the real deal basically. All the battery is already installed on the drone. Pop it off like that. Pop that back on. You've got your propeller guards, stickers which need to come off. You've also got A and B, which are your propellers and what order they go in. So basically you follow the diagram in the quick start guide. B to B, A to A diagonal, and I'll show you how to put them on right now. Right, so first things first, pop these off, these little protectors. Check what blade position you're supposed to be. So B to B, grab your bag of B blades. You get quite a lot of blades. I think you get 3 spares, 3 separate sets of spares. Open your bag. Now the fold out blades on this one. Basically all you do is you grab the motor, you line your blade up, push it down and turn it whatever that weighs. I don't know, clockwise, anti-clockwise, I don't know. Same for the diagonal one. B to B. Hold the motor, push down, twist. Just check that's on. Nice. A blades. Labelled A. Grab 2 of these babies. And same with that. Just grab that one. The motor there. Line it up. Twist. There we go. Last but not least, again, push, twist on. Just make sure they're all spinning freely. Apart from that one. What's that one? Oh yeah, that's just it in the camera. There we go. Always make sure before you take off, put these out like that. Don't take off like that, because it ain't good for the drone. Right, so I don't know where DJI kind of come up with the concept or the idea of designing a drone, Mavic Air 2, and it looks not like the Mavic Air 1. I kind of think of it like Robocop 2. Same robot, same machine, same shit. Terminator 1, Terminator 2. Same shit, different day. DJI Mavic Air 2. Totally different drone, totally different design, looks nothing like the Mavic Air. And if it didn't have Mavic Air 2 on the front, I'd say this is a Mavic Pro or a Mavic Mini or a Mavic Mini 2 or a Mavic Mini 2.5, whatever they're getting out nowadays. Right, so on to the camera. Now the difference with this one and the Mavic Air 1 is the camera is more exposed, in my opinion. The Mavic Air 1 used to shelter it from the side and the top. This one is only sheltered from the top, so if you bin it at an angle, that camera ain't going to last 5 minutes. So what we'll do, we'll take this sticker off, and it's telling me to press the notch to remove the gimbal protector. We'll take that off. Let's sure we pinch that. Do we? Let's have a look. Pinch notch. It can't be pinched that way, so it must be pinched that way, I think. There we go. You got me here with this one. There we go. Stickers on the camera, as per usual. Keeps it locked in place as well. 48 megapixel camera this. f2.8. Field of view is 84 degrees. And is it a 1.5 inch sensor? Anyway, we'll take all these stickers off. Right, remove those stickers. It does look rather nice in my opinion. I know it looks nothing like the Mavic Air 1, but hey ho. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to link the controller to the drone. I'm going to do the updates, which I know there's going to be quite a lot of them, or a rather large one. And then I'm going to take it outside and I'm going to see how this baby flies. As I say, this camera, I'm not too kind of like keen on that, but this is how DJI have designed it, so I've got the sticker to come off as well. I do apologise, I'm lying about taking the stickers off. As I was saying, DJI have designed it this way, so hopefully I won't bin it. I've only ever binned one drone in my whole life. Been flying for 12 years. I've only really properly binned one drone. Touch wood. However, I might take out the DJI refresh package with this, just because of the amount of money I paid for it. But I was going to get the normal one for 700 odd, but you know what, I thought you get half-hour flight time with one battery, and I just thought, just pay the extra, go for the Mavic Air 2 fly mode combo. An hour and a half flight time. I was only getting 20 minutes if that with the Mavic Air 1. The specs on this thing, I'll just take you through a few of them. 1080 at 60, 4K at 60, 48 megapixel cameras. You've got active track. What I'll do is I'll put all the information and specs on the screen now. You can just have a look through that. Save me going through it all. I'm no real expert when it comes to the real innards and working to things like this. I just go off what I need, which is like 1080 at 60, I'm happy. 48 megapixel camera, JPEG and RAW, I'm happy. If it flies good, I'm happy. So yeah, we're going to take it outside in a minute. Just wait for the wind to die down. I'll just give you a quick tour of the drone. What we have here is your micro SD. Although it's got 8 gig on board. You've got 2 front facing sensors, no side sensors on this, 2 back sensors, your bottom sensor, and you've got a landing light.
And hello there, welcome into the outside world. I've just come to a place called Sandymore in the UK. Now all what you see here is an overflow for Keswick Brook that runs just along where my finger's going. When it's really heavy rain, it fills up. When there's no rain, it's like this. Now this is where I've come in the past to practice some drone flying, and occasionally when I get a new drone I come here to film. Nice and centralised, nice valley, no one really about apart from the public footpath that runs alongside the outer of it. So today I'm going to check, really it's just the active track on the Mavic Air 2. That's all I've come out for. Bit of footage testing the screen recorder on my phone, and that's about it really. I'm going to try HDR mode because I've never tried it before. I've never had the chance to try it before, so we're going to be testing that one out today. Got my launch pad, landing pad. I'm going to be set up in a minute and hopefully be in the air. Dead easy with that controller, as you can see. Slide, clip, happy days. No faffing around with these stupid things at the bottom. Much better design in my opinion. Right, I'm going to be taking off from here. There's a bit of a public footpath going through, but no one really about. Let's have it. Gimbal guard off. A little bit fiddly that. Propellers out. There's a slight breeze, not too concerned like, but other than that, relatively nice and calm. Turn the beast on. The active track I probably won't try here because it's a little bit, well actually yeah I will do, because nice path going down there might get me from the bridge up here later on. Try out the OcuSync 2.0 as well. Right, 15 sats locked. One thing I will say before I take this off, this downward sensor is right near the bottom. If you are taking off in grass and it's a bit lumpy and bumpy, that vision sensor will say on the app that it's blocked. As soon as you take off, everything's fine, so all happy days there. Right, here we go. I've kept on the check propeller installation just to double check that I've took them all out and the way they should be. Check complete. And away we go. Righty ho. quick look before we have a fly. Yeah, all looking nice. Camera, although a little bit exposed, I don't really like that design, but you know. Yep. 3, 2, 1, see you later. Wow, what a picture with HDR. Jesus, that's nice. Right, we'll just take it near to the drain entrance. We'll decelerate a bit and we'll just do a little turn. And we'll just come back on ourselves. Nice and smooth, that OcuSync 2.0. HDR looks bloody amazing, if I'm honest. There she is. Where am I? That's the thing. Let's point the camera down. Oh, here I am there. There's a train there going past. Let's just try and get that. Oh, wrong way. And there we go. Very nice indeed. HDR is wow. HDR, you only get 1080, which is not a bad thing, but you only get 30 frames a second. You cannot change the EV values, but who cares? Look at that picture. Wow. It's sitting up there, but a kid in the whale, solid, stable as anything. Well impressed so far. Wowza. Look at the sky. Wow. Let's bring it down a bit. We'll do some low level flying, I think. Right, so we'll bring it down. Camera gimbal facing forward. 70% on the battery. I didn't start off with a full back because I've been using it, so let's test out the sensors. So I'm going to do a full fly towards me, no braking, see if it brakes on its own. Hand out, there you go. I'm only using. Okay, I think I'm maybe a bit too high for that. Let's bring it back, we'll try it a bit lower. Right, here we go, a little bit lower. Full force towards me, hand in the air, I'm only using one stick. Hang about, hang about, hang about. Ah, vision sensors. Let's try that one again. Bit lower, bit lower, bit lower, bit lower. There we go, full force now. And it is going to stop. Right. Take your finger off, still won't do it, but if you do the, yeah, there we go. So if you change it to the pass mode, where it flies past you, you cannot fly sideways, but what it will do is, if I do it now towards me, it won't stop, it'll just go right past me. So here we go, hand in the air, one finger, just so you know I'm not cheating, full stick forward, and it's going round me now. Try that again, turn it back around, and we're going to go for the full stick forward towards me again, and there you go, it's gone past me. Wowza. Just one more time. Alright, we'll have it low, 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 full stick towards me, here we come, and she's going above me. That is brilliant. That is friggin' brilliant. Wow. One more time. There we go. Full stick, and it's going to the right.
Little bank turn, back towards me, and we're going away from me again. Perfect every time. I think what we'll try now is a little bit of the sports mode. We'll take them sensors back off so we can fly sideways again. Flick it into sports mode, and we'll just give it a quick punch test. Lower, low, 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 low. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Let's have a little. Right past me, I think. Here we go. Let's have a look. Let's take it right past me. All vision sensors off. Wow. There we go again. Oh. Whey, it's a duck there. Right. Normal mode back on. Whole GPS back. One last mode I think to try while I'm here is cine mode. Right. Move away from that because it's beeping. There we go, cine mode, and we'll go up. Again, HDR mode is beautiful by the looks of it. Wow. Let's do a little turn round. Come back. Let's see if I can see myself. There I am. Let's descend a bit. Oh, fly to the left here. There she comes. It's a little bit quicker than the Mavic Air tripod mode, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see if the sensors kick in. Wow, look at that. That's still pushing forward as well. Again, there's no pass mode, I've turned that off, so it's just basically, you know, so we get out the sight of it, and it's follow me again, so it's going, yeah, there we go. There you go, right above me, see you later. So I'll take that cine mode. Wow, flash, fucking amazing. It's fucking amazing. Jesus Christ. Right, I think what I'll do is I shall try active track. Right, here we go. I'm going to try forward first. 49% on the battery. How to lock target. Active track. Skip, 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 skip. Close. Active track. Right, tap go and it will follow. Let me see if it follows me. Yeah, so I'm not doing nothing to it. And it's tracking me on the walk. Let's go to the side. See what it does. Moving to the side. Let's speed up a bit. It speeds up. As I say, I'm not doing nothing to it. Not doing anything to it at all. It's tracking me again. Still tracking me from the side. Come on, this way. Tap here to make aircraft stop flying automatically. It's tracking me again. So what I'll do now is I'll just walk and see if it tracks me. Come on. It's like a frigging dog. Let's run a bit. Let's do a little bit of running.
Come on. Stop there. As you can see, I'm not even touching the controls. Stop. See, I'm going to move to the side. There we go, and just carry on walking, and it'll just continue to follow me. That is bloody amazing. Come on. Come on. Eat biscuits. Right, so I'm going to chance this now. I'm going to go over the brook. And we're going to be over this bridge. Let's see what happens to it. Come on, over the bridge. Right, I'm going to stop there. I'm going to go, as I say, I'm going to go backwards. Come on. There we go. As you can see, I'm not doing nothing. It's just actively tracking me. Right, come on then. Let's have a little bit of a run. Wow, gets into position very quickly, I must say. And again, it's follow me like a bad stalker. Look at that, that's just wow. Wow, I am friggin' amazed. You stop and it stops. Carry on and she follows you. As you can see, I'm not even touching the controls and it's following me. So if I go to the side a bit, it will turn to the side. If I go to this side, turn to that side, get back in the middle, it recenters itself. Turn your back on it, carry on walking, slight jog. There we go, and it picks up the pace. That, my friends, is friggin' amazing. So I'm not touching nothing. I'm just walking around and it's tracking me as it should. Get a little bit out of breath if I'm honest. But look at that, that is... Wowza. Absolutely brilliant. We'll stop that function there. That was friggin' brilliant. Take off.
Take off.
New battery in this one. Right,
The home point
there we
has
go.
been updated. Please
Get in
check
front of it. Knock the camera down a bit. Draw a little box around myself. Skip, active track. Close, active track, go. There's a couple of people milling about here. Let's go that way and that way. And that way. I think I might have to stop this one here. Can I go up on this? Yeah, we'll go up, eh? Still tracking. Still tracking. Come on. See if I can get past these people without any incident. Right, let's just get up here and have a look up here. Right, we'll go across this field, I think. Still tracking me nice. Right, we're going to add that way. Still follow me as it should. Very nice. Walk a little bit over here. A little bit of recording as well on the actual drone. So can I send it away from me? No, let's see if I can send it away. Oh yeah, it'll still track me. So, okay. Continuing to track. Very nice indeed. Nice and smooth, no break up. Send it a little bit further away. Still tracking. Still tracking. Let's turn this way. Yeah, beautiful. Never skips a beat. %battery, although I'm not going to use another one because I've done what I've intended to do today, so quite happy with that one, I think. Right, I think we'll stop that there. Well happy with that. Cheers for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Just before I do go, if you do like drone flights and you do like drones, I do have another channel with quite a lot of drone footage on. If you'd like to have a look, I'll put a link up at the top somewhere now with a few videos. Go and check it out, you might like it.